guys, Madelaine here, and today I want to talk about the Skinbetter Science product Alto. I'm super excited to now be offering this amazing product from Skinbetter. So if you're curious about it, how to use it, what's in it, and why I love it so much, keep on watching. I'm Madelaine. I'm the owner of Sparkle Lifestyle MediSpa. It's a medical aesthetic practice in Moncton, New Brunswick, and I'm the owner, and I'm here to really teach you why I like this line so much. So for people that know me, knows that I'm a little geek, and I've been following that brand for years now. It's been in the state for over 3 years, if I remember correctly, and it's really they kept winning award after award, and I was really impressed with them, and it's finally available in Canada, and that's why I decided to bring this brand in our family. So super excited about it. All the dermatologists there were a lot of great award fell in love with those products. So Skinbetter Science have been designed by the same person that designed Restylane and Dysport, two products that we use here at Sparkle for cosmetic injection. So they're the equivalent of Botox and Juvederm for the treatment of fine line and wrinkle. And those people wanted to bring up a brand, like a line of skincare that was really designed to plump, hydrate, and really like combine or like an add-on to those cosmetic injection. And this product contains 19 antioxidants. It does have vitamin C, but a different form of vitamin C that's been proven to be a little bit more stable as vitamin C. It lasts a little bit longer, and it also have vitamin E, the coenzyme Q10, grapeseed extract, cacao, turmeric, green tea, coffee, and so much more. So this is amazing. And what's so great, those antioxidants not only protect your skin against the UVA and UVB, but also the infrared, and that's quite new in the skincare industry. And as you know, I'm someone that's really researched, and I like to read all the clinical study that comes with the product. It's been compared to the most popular antioxidant currently available on the market, and after their studies, it shows that the skin that had been treated with this product had 53% less free radical than the other one. That's quite impressive. And you guys know I'm all about clinical studies. It's an amazing product to reverse the damage caused on your skin, and it will also brighten your skin, even your skin tone. It's not really that retinol that you'll have like really like in your face results, but it really prevent aging. So everybody should have some form of antioxidant in their skincare regimen. So Skinbetter Alto Defense Serum come in a 30 millimeter package. You open the box and it look like this one. It can be used twice a day. I recommend using it twice a day. That's how I like to use my antioxidant if you're really trying to improve the results, and especially if you're trying to reverse the aging sign or you have like a lot of hyperpigmentation. I definitely recommend using it morning and night. But if you want to choose between the two, I would go in the morning. Because in the morning, that's where you see most the pollution and UVA, UVBs, and all those free radical that would damage your skin, right? That's why it's so important. So you would wash your face, depending on your cleanser, you would wash your face and then use your toner. Then I would apply my serum, antioxidant serum right away. Then it can be followed by your treatment cream and your sun protection. It's pretty cute to open. You just unscrew it that way, and then you just do a pump. I would pump, apply it gently on your cheek, your forehead, and your chin. Massage until it completely absorbs, and you just bring the rest to your neck and décolleté. If you're using a stem cell or growth factor after, I would wait about 15 minutes because the pH can neutralize each other. So the Skinbetter product cannot be directly sold online. So if you're interested, I'll put a link below that you can click on the link that will bring you directly to the Skinbetter website. It is an affiliated link. I want to put my disclaimer right there, but I'm really happy with this treatment, and I'm super thrilled that we are now offering it here at Sparkle. And if you're not sure that this product is the right one for you, please book a consultation with one of our team members, and I'll be more than happy to do a complete skin analysis and come up with the treatment plan that will suit your skin the best. So thank you so much for watching. We do have an amazing Facebook group. I will also put the link below if you would like to join, and I will put a couple other videos that I think that you would enjoy watching. So have a beautiful day and see you soon. Bye bye.